I broke my arm, and I'm not really gonna be able to record for a couple months. So yeah, I'm sorry guys. If you want to see my videos, please like and subscribe, because this really hurts. And if you wanna know how, here's how I jumped off a thing at school, and I was higher than this roof, and it hurt when I landed, but somehow I didn't cry even though I broke one bone, and that was before I started streaming. No, that was after I started streaming, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, I'm not gonna be on YouTube for a while, okay guys? Okay, bye. And see you at the end of the desert.